Hi, Happy New Year. I'm Chris with Pool Leak Detection LLC. You're right, this isn't my real voice. While I wish it was, my accent can make it difficult to create clear videos. To ensure my viewers have the best possible experience and can understand everything easily, I've decided to use an AI voice for higher quality content. Today, we're answering a question a lot of pool owners ask. Can brushing your pool cause liner holes and leaks? The short answer is yes, but it depends on how you brush and what tools you use. Let's break it down. Why this matters. Tiny liner holes are one of the most common reasons pools slowly lose water, and they're often nearly invisible to the naked eye. Many pool owners assume the liner is failing from age or sun exposure, but sometimes the damage actually happens during routine maintenance, especially with aggressive brushing. Today I'll explain how brushing can damage a liner, how to tell if brush damage is the cause, how to prevent it, and a safer alternative like automatic pool vacuum robots, how a pool brush can cause liner holes. From my experience inspecting thousands of pools, brush-related liner damage usually happens in three situations. 1. Bottom corners and wall-to-floor transitions. These areas have less structural support, making them more vulnerable to abrasion. 2. Metal or worn brush edges. Metal frames or worn bristles can rub against the liner like sandpaper. 3. Repeated brushing in one spot. Even a soft brush can wear through if the same area gets scrubbed week after week. What brush-caused holes typically look like. Brush-related holes often appear in clusters or rows, are near seams or corners, are surrounded by micro scratches or scuffs. Most of the time, you won't see the hole without using a controlled eye test. How to confirm brush damage. To confirm whether brushing caused a hole, you need a controlled eye test, a careful inspection pattern, an understanding of typical wear and tear. Guessing based only on water loss can lead you to miss the real problem entirely. For example, in this video, I use my client's own pool brush to test and demonstrate that the most likely cause of the damage was the brush itself, combined with aggressive brushing. The liner holes are almost all at the same height, which closely matches the height of the brush during cleaning. How to prevent brush-related liner damage. Here are some steps that help prevent liner damage. Use only vinyl-safe brushes like this one. And if you're wondering where you can find these brushes, I will leave the links in the description. Don't press too hard. Avoid brushing corners aggressively. Inspect brushes frequently for wear. Rotate brush angles instead of focusing on one spot. Let's see some alternative options to manual brushing. Now for a safer and often more efficient alternative, automatic pool vacuum robots. These robotic cleaners not only reduce manual effort, they also reduce the risk of damaging your liner when used properly. Because they move strategically across the pool floor and walls, they avoid the repetitive abrasion that can come from handheld brushing. Here are a few trusted brands worth considering. iGarden, known for smart navigation and strong debris pickup. Wybot, reliable performance with adaptive cleaning paths. iPer, great value with good suction and easy maintenance. Buble, effective at floor and wall cleaning with fast coverage. BeatBot, solid performance in both in-ground and above-ground pools. I'll leave links to each of these in the video description so you can check them out and decide which fits your pool size and needs. These robots can take a lot of strain off of manual maintenance routines, and in many cases, they help you keep a cleaner pool without risking liner damage. Tiny liner holes can be frustrating, but understanding how they happen and how to prevent them can save you time and money. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more leak detection tips, DIY advice, and honest product recommendations. Also, don't forget to download my free ebook, How to Find a Pool Leak. You'll find a link in the description, along with links to those automatic pool vacuum robots I mentioned. Finally, if you're interested in learning how to repair liner holes, be sure to watch my video, How to Patch Large Holes and Tears on a Vinyl Liner Pool. Got questions or video topic ideas? Drop them in the comments. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.